Hey guys, welcome back to Alleviated Soul. So today was the day 13 of the 100 days challenge to building yourself as a brand. So today I woke up at 5 a.m. I did my stretching, then looked into my vision board. It gives a lot of inspiration and a kind of motivation to get up and work for your dream life, for the life that you want. So I would highly suggest building your vision board that is very personal to you. Okay, so it is exactly what you want, it is exactly how you want your life to be. So that is what it is. I have my vision board on my Pinterest, like I have pins which have been saved, and I also have it on my laptop, so it always reminds me of the life that I want, of the things that I want to do, how I want to improve my life, everything. So it's like everything is in one place, and it really inspires me, it really motivates me to do the work. So I would highly suggest that. After that, I made my bed and then had 2 glasses of warm water. So in the beginning, that is in the initial start of the day, I always have warm water, and then it's like the normal room temperature water. Then I prayed and did workout. It really felt great. Like, the first day was kind of difficult as I started after a long time to work out, so I was like shivering and all, and didn't had that much energy to complete the workout. Like, each workout that were focusing on some part, I could not complete it. Like, if it had 15 sets, so I did not do that complete. I tried maximum, like I took a rest in between, I did it, rest, and then did it. So it was like that. But today, as a second day, it was much better. I could complete most of the exercises, really felt good, and getting a lot of energy doing so. So yeah, I'm gonna work out. So of course I did that, and then I meditated and did some breathing exercises like pranayam, anilom vilom, all that. Those really help you to relax and also to clear your lungs and your breathing passages, because throughout the day when we are sitting in one place and working, we do not breathe how much is required for our body. Okay, so because of that, the oxygen levels are very low in most of the people who work in front of their computer for a very long day, because we do not breathe the amount that what our body requires. Hence, these breathing exercises can help our lungs to get the sufficient amount of oxygen by breathing for at least that small period of time. So would suggest even that to do. And did some eye exercises, because eye strains a lot from looking into your computer for a very long time. So eye exercises also are must to reduce the fatigue. Also, it can reduce your dark circles. It flows a lot of blood to your eyes, hence improving your eyesight for a very long time. So yeah, after that I journaled. Journaling is kind of like writing, and I even suggest this, writing down your thoughts, because it helps to clear and even better understand that what you want, what you really mean to do. You get a clear idea of any problem that you have written down. You know, you start to get clear about it, that how it started, how it has been going, how far you have come in your life. That can also help you to reflect when you write down everything in a journal. So it is not required like very strictly any rules over there that you have to write it daily in a certain way or anything. No, you can write anything, whatever you wish to. Even you can write even a word or even a sentence. If you don't feel like, don't do it, but I would suggest that try it once. Okay, it once I have started for this and never looked back after that. So it's been 5 years I have been journaling, and it has really helped me to come through so many difficult situations of the things that I was really confused about. When I wrote it down, it made me very clearer, gave me a clear idea of what I wanted actually, and helped me to take decision accordingly. So yeah, that is. So then I quickly swept the floor and went to bath. I did my whole skincare with face massage, and I really felt good. The face massages, I would really say, are very good. They make your complete face relax, all your facial muscles, and this can really help you because working in front of the computer can bring a lot of stress and can hold a lot of tension in your muscles, for example in your forehead, in your crown area, or in your jaw, shoulders and all. So this will really help you to relax, calm yourself down, and remove all the tension that has been accumulated from the work. So I would highly suggest doing facial massages. After that, I prayed and did the whole art thing. And today Wi-Fi was not working, so I just kind of didn't had any other option. I used up the internet that I had in my phone, and also used my father's phone to send and receive files which were there for editing and all. And that's why I could not have any other thing to do. Then I wrapped up, did the shooting and wrapped it up at 1 o'clock, and went to cook and had my lunch. Then yes, I'm doing intermittent fasting. If you want to know more about that, I will link up the video in the card and in the description box. You can go check it out. I don't have my breakfast. That is how I do the intermittent fasting, but some days I'll have it. You can know the reason in the in this box, like in the description box in that video. Okay, so that is like when I like what my mom has made that day and I love that food, that's when I have the breakfast. So that is it is. You can know more about it from my experience and results in the video. After that, I did offline computer work as the Wi-Fi still had not got any connection. Then I made videos for a client who had many issues. I don't know from where did I meet this person, but yeah, he was you have to send me these photos. It was a photo shoot, okay, and I had to just been selected, like it was just starting. I was sending my files so that I will be selected, but this person is like, you need to send more photos. Like okay, so I sent around like 30-50 photos, and he was then like, you have to send few more in different angles. And it's like, how many do you even need? Are you going to make, like, this was in my mind, okay, but yeah, like how many are you going to make? Are you making like a whole photo shoot from what photos I'm sending you, and you are not going to do any photo shoot kind of thing? So that was running in my mind, but of course I could not speak to him like that. So I just asked, like, why do you need so many photos right now? So he was like, we are making a portfolio of yours, so we need good photos in different angles and a lot of photos. It's like, okay, once I understood that, and like, fine, just tell me exactly how many photos do you need and in what angles and all. Then he just mentioned that, and then I sent it to him, and then it was done. I got late because of that, so it was finished at 7:30. I had my dinner after that, and then I prayed, and my mom arrived, so I was speaking to her. After that, I didn't have anything else to do because the Wi-Fi was still not working, so I just recorded this video and then slept at 10 o'clock. That was how the day 13 ended. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Until then, bye, take care.